Starting off with 1D, really quick side note here, knowledge needed. R equals x squared, or the square root of x squared plus y squared. X equals r cosine theta, and y equals r sine theta. We learned that from the packet here today by manipulating some formulas. So our original equation, r equals 5/8 over 1 minus 5/4 cosine theta minus 30 is the one we're going, rotated. We're going to try to get that in terms of x and y. So first off, we're going to multiply by the denominator, get it on one side, so you get everything equals 5/8. And then, using our knowledge of theta subtraction rule, we're just going to expand this up to cosine theta cosine 30 plus sine theta sine 30. And then we can plug in these cosine and sine 30 for their real values. 1/2 square root 3 over 2. So then we're going to plug in this 5/4, it's going to distribute that into these. We're going to get 5 square root 3 over 8 minus 5/8, because this negative carries that over. So here we go. Then we get, then we're going to plug in this r and distribute that into everything. So we get r minus 5 square root 3 divided by 8 cosine theta minus 5 over 8 r sine theta equals 5/8. From here on, we're going to step on to part 2, which is when we go back up here, we're going to start to substitute this information that we have. And once we substitute, we're going to get x squared plus y squared minus 5 root 3 over 8x minus 5/8 y equals 5/8. So now we're going to try to get this square root by itself, so we can get rid of it. So we're going to add these values over, alright? And we're going to get x squared, or the square root of x squared plus y squared equals this long trinomial, will you? We're going to square that, and this is going to give us this long formula. And for simplicity's sake, we're going to multiply by 64 to cancel out all these denominators. So that gives us 64x squared plus 64y squared equals this. Simply subtract x squared and y squared, and that's our final form.